The Apple Mac Mini M2 is an excellent choice for those deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem, as it seamlessly integrates with other devices and services. Creative professionals will appreciate the unparalleled performance it delivers with applications like Final Cut Pro and Logic Pro, enhancing productivity and efficiency in their work. For those who prioritize a cost-effective option, the Geekom A6 stands out with its impressive specifications and user upgradability. Leveraging the powerful AMD Ryzen 7 6800H processor, it provides a robust experience for multitasking and everyday use. Moreover, its ability to expand memory and storage easily makes it adaptable to various needs as they evolve. Users can confidently perform tasks, ranging from photo editing to office applications, without worrying about resource limitations. Equipped with its compact aluminum chassis, the Mac Mini M2 combines elegance with functionality, making it ideal for workspaces where aesthetics matter. With a weight of just 2.6 pounds and silent operation, it fits seamlessly into any environment, allowing users to focus on their tasks without distraction. Users transitioning from older Intel-based systems might face a learning curve regarding software compatibility, but the potential performance gains often far outweigh these initial challenges. For professionals utilizing macOS applications, the transition can lead to better productivity as the M2 chip optimizes everyday workflows. Choosing between the Mac Mini M2 and the Geekom A6 ultimately hinges on your unique computing preferences and requirements. Evaluating the specific use cases will guide your decision, whether you lean towards creative workflows in macOS or seek a flexible, budget-friendly solution in Windows. Both devices present their strengths, ensuring that users can find a mini PC that aligns perfectly with their expectations and usage scenarios. The Apple Mac Mini M2 invites users into a world of optimized performance tailored specifically for creative applications. Its elegant design is supported by sturdy materials that not only enhance its longevity but also provide a sense of technological refinement. Meanwhile, the Geekom A6, with its compact frame and user-friendly approach, successfully caters to those who appreciate versatility without sacrificing power. Ultimately, your decision will reflect your individual needs, whether you prioritize cutting-edge performance or adaptability and affordability. Both systems represent exceptional entries in the mini PC market. The Mac Mini M2 is perfect for professionals requiring lightning-fast performance in resource-intensive tasks. Its architecture is designed to maximize efficiency in rendering and video playback, providing an experience that stands tall in creative industries. Though some users may encounter compatibility issues with specific software, Apple continues to enhance the ecosystem, often releasing updates to improve user experience. In contrast, the Geekom A6 caters to a broad audience by supporting various applications, making it suitable for everyday tasks or light gaming. Its expandability allows users to adapt easily to increasing demands, ensuring longevity in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. Additionally, the inclusion of modern connectivity options means users can effortlessly connect peripherals, enhancing overall functionality. The Mac Mini M2 is not just a compact power machine, it also embodies a blend of style and silent operation that makes it a subtle yet effective addition to any workspace. It provides users with the performance they crave for demanding applications while still remaining unobtrusive, allowing creativity to flourish unimpeded by noise or clutter. In contrast, the Geekom A6, with its impressive specs, is designed to be adaptable and user-friendly. This approach caters proficiently to both casual users and those who delve into more resource-intensive tasks, reinforcing its appeal as a budget-friendly alternative. Ultimately, the right choice hinges on the specific demands of the user, guiding them toward the device that meets their professional and personal computing needs seamlessly. Both options represent significant value in the compact PC market and cater to diverse user preferences. The Mac Mini M2 and Geekom A6 offer distinct advantages depending on user requirements and environments. Determine whether your primary tasks align more closely with the optimized performance and sleek design of the Mac Mini, or the budget-friendly, user-upgradable flexibility of the Geekom A6. Each mini PC brings value to the table, thereby ensuring suitability for a wide range of users in today's dynamic tech landscape. In conclusion, both the Mac Mini, M2, and the Geekom A6 serve as fantastic mini PC options tailored to different user needs. The Mac Mini excels in creative and optimized environments, offering high performance with seamless integration into the Apple ecosystem, while the Geekom A6 presents a flexible and budget-friendly choice perfect for varied computing tasks. Choosing either will reflect your specific operational demands, ensuring productivity and satisfaction for every user. Ultimately, each mini PC offers unique strengths that align with various user demands, making them both appealing choices for different reasons. Whether you gravitate towards the Mac Mini's creative optimization and premium build or the Geekom A6's affordability and expandability, you can rest assured that your choice will enhance productivity and performance in fulfilling your specific computing requirements. Both the Mac Mini, M2, and the Geekom A6 showcase exceptional capabilities while catering to different audiences. As users seek the ultimate mini PC experience, identifying personal priorities becomes essential for making the right choice. Emphasizing either high performance and advanced software capabilities with the Mac Mini or a versatile, wallet-friendly approach with the Geekom A6 will lead to satisfying outcomes. Ultimately, investing in either device ensures progress and efficiency across diverse tasks, enabling users to enhance their workflows and achieve their personal and professional goals effectively. Both machines exemplify the best of what modern technology has to offer in compact form factors. With the Geekom A6 positioned as an appealing alternative, it's crucial to weigh its strengths against the Mac Mini's superior integration and performance. Users should carefully consider the primary software and tasks they intend to pursue, as these choices will significantly impact their overall satisfaction. Both mini PCs promise a unique experience, catering to differing preferences and environments while highlighting the evolution of compact computing. In conclusion, the choice between the Apple Mac Mini, M2, and the Geekom A6 ultimately reflects personal priorities, whether that be high-level performance and seamless integration within the Apple ecosystem or the affordability and flexibility of user-upgradable components offered by the Geekom. Both devices stand out in the mini PC market, ensuring satisfaction for their respective demographics. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.